Hey YouTube, this is Cubing Vivo here, and this will be my first video with on YouTube. So as an introductory video, I just thought I'd show you how fast I can solve my cube. Now my best with my Moe Weilong V2 right here is 17.43 seconds, and my average is 28 to 29 seconds. So yeah, I guess I'll get started then. Oh, just below 30 seconds now. Comfortably below Sub-30 with the 27.42 there. Just below Sub-30 again with the 29.81. just above 30 seconds there, so it's like 30 seconds is the base. I get most of my times below 30, but I seldom get a few times above, so yeah, I've got one last solve to do. Okay, comfortably below 30 seconds there with a 25.99. So on the whole, I think I've done pretty well, because as you can see, my best time was my last solve, which was a 25.99. My average is pretty blurred in the camera, but is 28.75, and my 3 or 5 was which would be seen in a competition, is 29.04 seconds. So these are my 5 solves. My first one was 29.81, 27.42, 29.81 again, 30.64, and 25.99. Thanks YouTube for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd be highly grateful. Thank you.